both hate this thing. Do you hear the cat digging the door? Mom, do you hear the cat digging your door? It's the other cat. Roll the intro. Alright guys, I hope you liked the beginning part of the video. It's like the best bits of my video. Well, I think it's the best bits of my video, or what's important part of the video. Anyways, if you liked what you saw, can you please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell. It really helps my channel, especially since I'm trying to go to 1,000 subscribers this year. Every like counts, every subscription counts, and hitting the bell really tells the algorithm to pump out my videos or show them more people. It really helps out a lot. So let's get to the video, guys. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. My mom's home alone. My mom is home with me today, so I'm not home alone. Yeah. Anyways, guys, she's out there beating on my dog because I have the chickens right now because I cleaned out their thing because they spilled water all through the night and it was nasty, so I had to clean out. But anyways, guys, let's go get this day started. I will cut back in a minute. Alright, guys, I'm back. My mom's over here being harassed by my dog because he's jealous of the chickens. Hello. Jake, you're scaring the chickadoos. Stop. Oh. Stop. Oh. Stop. Tell him to stop. You're the one over there making him. You're over there massaging him and making him crazy because he's jealous. Why is he so jealous of you and the chickens? Jake, shut up. Alright guys, let's film the little baby chickens here. I had to cover them because they jumped out. They jumped out of here like a crazy chickadee. Mom! Get Jake, he's scaring the chicken. Are you guys happy in here? Happy? You happy? Ooh, I don't like being touched, do you? Happy, go lucky. What are you doing to the dog? What is he doing to you? Why is he so attached to you today? Jake, are you not jealous of the chickens? Yep. Jake, are you not jealous? Are you jealous? You jealous ass? Jake, they're like a fourth of your size, and we have them for food. What is he doing? He's just looking over here like, oh, I want you to get out. He's like, they don't need to be around here. What is wrong with Jake? Jake, are you not? I need to see if you picked one up. Jake, you got issues. You gotta solve these issues. Yeah, you do. You got some issues. I do. I gotta hurry him so I can eat breakfast.
Yeah, but he's killed me.
He? What?
He's killed me.
Oh. Guys, I'll come back in a minute. You said heat.
No, I said he's killing me.
Oh, I thought you said the heat's killing you. I was like, what heat?
No, him.
Chickadees. Don't jump out. Stop it. Stop trying to jump out. Anyway, guys, I'll come back, viewers. I gotta get this done. So, hi, guys. I'm back. I wasn't here playing with the cat, but he disappeared. Where'd he go? Did you follow them back there? I bet you did. Jake, did the cat follow you? No, he did not. Kitty, where'd he go? Are you back here? Can you guys even see it? Let's see. Right into me. Behind you. Hold on, let me turn the light on. There we go. Because now I can really see what he says. Down here. Down here. Okay, look. There. Dad, do you see the cat? Dad, do you see the cat? Wait. You hate this thing, don't you? You're like, it drives me nuts. You're like, it's the bane of my existence. Pick it. Did I wear you out? Oh my goodness, the other cat's playing. Kitty cat. Whoop. And now it's super loud. Is it not on? There we go. They both hate this thing. Do you hear the cat digging the door? Mom, do you hear the cat digging your door? It's the other cat. I got both of them out here attacking it. Oh, she. You know you want it, kitty. You want it? Is this down here? Gonna get it? No, I'm tired. Don't beat each other up. Really? You two go beat each other up now, really? Huh? I don't think. He's like, what? He's like, there's two of them. That's my foot. Don't open your door. Scare them all to death.
Where'd it go?
One went in my room and he took off.
What?
Okay. He says, I got 8. Hold on, wait. One more, wait. Don't move. I'll show you what this cat does in the hallway. I want to show you what he does. Is he going to get it? You too tired? He's nuts. He hates this thing. Alright guys, I will come back in a little bit. So alright guys, I'm back. My dad's here, right Dad? You enjoying your ice cream, old man? Deflect it! Ah! Deflect it! Denied? You just got denied. You see that, Dad? Denied.
Can't believe she hasn't said I was mean to you.
That was like 5 years ago.
I don't know if I still remember.
Gee. Give it up. We haven't talked to anyone in a long time.
I know.
Yeah, I know. Kitty cats. You have fun? Did you have fun beating up the laser beam? My lasers! I'm firing my lasers! Did you have fun? He's like, I'm hot. Are you hot now? Are you tired? He's like, I'm tired. I wore out. Gee. I had both the cats back there beating it up earlier. And then the other cat ran to the other cat and he slapped him in the face. It's pretty funny. You should have seen it.
Okay, go
Yeah,
back and break it up.
No. You have anything to say before the vlog?
Well,
Nothing? Nothing? Okay. Anyway, guys, I will come back and I'm on the vlog. So, bye, guys. I'm back. Gonna go vlog. I didn't really do a lot today. Forgot to film when I went out for a while because my bad. But, anyways, guys, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Roll the outro. Alright, guys, if you made this far to the video, hope you guys enjoyed it. But if you really want to check out more, there's 2 videos here, and you can subscribe by clicking this button thing here.